Hello. So if you are looking for an effective workout for your whole body, where you want to get all the muscles in your upper body and lower body, but you don't want to spend hours at the gym training each muscle individually, then I have a workout for you that's simple and effective with 4 fundamental exercises that are going to target all of the major muscle groups of your upper body and lower body. If we haven't met, my name is Greg. I have a degree in exercise science and I'm here to help. What we're going to start with, an incline press. For this, you're going to need a bench and a set of dumbbells. So for an incline press, we're going to be getting all the muscles on the front of your upper body. So working the chest, working the back of the arms, working the anterior deltoid, which is in the front of the shoulder. We're going to get the front half of your body doing this exercise. What you're going to do is set a bench at about 20 degrees. Using 2 dumbbells, one in each hand, you're going to bring the dumbbells to the front of your shoulder, tapping the inside of the dumbbell to your chest. This is our starting position. From here, you're going to push straight up from your shoulder. Now, you don't want the dumbbells to come together. You want to keep them right over the top of your shoulder, and that's going to keep that tension on that chest through the whole movement. Now, we just worked the front. Now we're going to work the back. So what you're going to do for that is, I like to use a resistance band for an assisted chin up. So you're going to loop the band over a pull-up bar and then slide it through that loop and then pulling tight. From here, you're going to put your knee in that loop. And this is going to give you that assistance in a chin up. The heavier the band, the more assistance you're getting on this. From here, you're going to grab underhanded at about shoulder width. Now, if you grab wider, you're going to be de-emphasizing the lats. So we want to grab at shoulder width to put that force straight into the lats, which run along your upper back. We're working the bicep, the lats, and the muscles in the upper back around your shoulder blades. So from here, you're going to go to a full hang. You should feel that stretch in the lats, then pull up. Bring your forehead up to the bar level, and then all the way back to a full hang. That full hang is the really important part. That's where you're building that muscle. And this is working all of those muscles in the upper back, all of those pulling muscles. Those are 2 upper body exercises that cover the majority of everything above your waist. So now we're going to do some lower body exercises. I really like a squat. A squat is a very fundamental movement. It's very practical. You're going to set the dumbbells right on the top of your shoulders. Have your feet about shoulder width apart. There's a lot of different ways of doing this. The way we're going to do is you're going to try and keep your chest up and your back straight and not bend forward at your waist. What that's going to do is it's going to emphasize the front of your thigh. So from here, you're going to bend your knees, trying to bring your hips all the way to the ground and then back up. And see how I'm not bending forward? I'm trying to stay straight up and down, where I'm almost touching the back of my thigh to the back of my calf. And that's what's going to really emphasize those quads, those muscles in the front of your thigh. Now for the back of the thigh, we're going to do a stiff-legged deadlift. So hands right in the front of your thigh. From here, I want you to stand right in front of a wall, and what you're going to try and do is push your hips backwards into the wall. I'm really hinging at the hip, pushing my legs back, letting my arms just hang, and then back up. So keeping that back straight. This is a hip hinge movement that will get all the muscles in the back of the hips and the back of the thigh. So we're hitting all of the lower body in these 2 exercises. So if you like this style workout and want to see more, I host these live streams at 11 a.m. Pacific time on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So hope to see you guys there.